half now. So that's pretty big. Let's go 1e4. c5. Let's play the Alapin. It worked well against Niemann to play a little bit for a draw. Here, what's the line here? Bishop c4 maybe? Then we can play d4. Oh, what am I doing? I thought that I'm winning the tournament for sure with a draw in this game. But that's actually not true. I still have to get a result in the last game. Is this idea like knight b6 now? I think people go... If you go... I think you go knight b6 first, and then you go knight b4 after this. But here, am I not getting a better endgame? I am somewhat confused. I take knight a8. Is this some kind of prep? Andreikin is not usually that well prepared. And also it seems to end up with an extra pawn for me. Let's find out. Oh, I tried to take the rook immediately. That is a bit greedy. Here. Bishop e3. And rook c1 is the idea. The knight c3 seems to be an unstoppable threat. And then, as far as I can see, I will be ending up with an extra pawn. I mean, he will, of course, have compensation with the bishop pair, but enough to, like, trouble me seriously? I doubt that. I must be better there. Okay, very logical. Knight c3. Guess I grab a7. All I can. He's behind in development as well here, so I'm not really sure he's getting anywhere here. Bishop b4, I got knight here, and then rook b1. Looks very scary for black. Oh, was this possible? Oh well. Knight d4, I guess. Castles. I got bishop c5. And then if rook a8, I take rook b1, rook a2, and then knight c3. I don't win. No, I don't actually win. There's rook a3, takes, and the rook comes back to to c8. That's actually a really funny line. Okay, let's go here then. Maybe I'll go here first. As a matter of fact. Rather than... No, I got knight c3 and I got knight d1. So that's the line. Rook a8. Takes, rook b1, rook a2, knight c3, rook a3, and I got knight d1. And if he takes the knight, rook b8. Yeah, I think that wins. Unless I'm missing something really bad here. But yeah, this seems to be just rook b8 mate next. We're winning the knight. And that should be it. So we take with the knight. b3, there's knight d2, and then there's knight c4 next. Consolidating everything. And there we go. Resignation.